All right, finally, a video for 2026, June 5th. John Robert here, a tired, overly retired, extra tired John Robert and his yard. And I've been busting my hump, turning 65 in 2 months. And me, myself, and I, there is no we here, it's just me at this household. It's how it's always been, which is fine. So I can only do what I can do on a limited retirement income, but I do keep myself busy. Now, I will be posting pictures of what this lawn looked like 2 days ago. It was thigh high. I'm talking almost to my hip bone, and I'm 5'11". I kid you not, I did the whole lawn with this push mower. This is a new Ego push mower, battery one that I bought last year. And so anyhow, and then I've been pruning the tree too. And over here on my shed are color samples of what I'm gonna go with. And I know which one I'm gonna go with to paint that ugly siding. I've never dealt with siding until I moved here. Luckily, my house is all stone. It's just this shed. So anyhow, so there's that. But I wanted to show you, and I'm gonna flip the camera around and see if this works. I don't know if this would work on your TV or mine or anyone else's. I can't figure it out. It seems like with this technology, they need to vastly improve the basics first before they go on with all kinds of other AI things, and you can attach a phase to a brick or something and all that silly nonsense, when just do the simple steps first. Make those simple and foolproof. Then go on to the other stuff. But anyhow, the warm weather is making me crabby. Well, just the thought of how things are going in the world today anyhow. So that's my backyard. There's my rose garden back there that I planted. And mind you, all of this, everything you see here, with the exception of the river birch tree, and way down there, my Mars Madness hardy hibiscus, all of this has been planted in less than a year and a half by me, digging in this hard clay, saturated soil that never had plantings in it before. And so yeah, it's a lot. So when I finally rest up and do a little more cleaning up and edging, and see, I've got this section here with potted plants. I normally have like a stone path. We all have weeds, don't we? I always see people feeling bad about weeds. What's to feel bad about nature? I mean, we didn't create it, it's just there. And so weeds here, weeds gone, it doesn't really matter. I'll have them, I will take them out, because I'm going to put stone in here to rest my better pots in for my tropical hibiscus that I've overwintered for 2 years now. So yeah. And then while I'm at it, I'm going to film a quick view of my front yard, which is a little bit more finished than this is for sure. But that's it for now. And I'll finally start filming a little bit more, and then I'll go around to each plant and all that. But I like quicker videos. I don't like videos that are longer than 20 minutes, because I get anxious, and for me personally, to watch videos over 20 minutes, and then I feel like I want to jump up and do something else. So I don't know, maybe it's my ADHD and every other kind of mental issue, who knows. Anyhow, okay, well, see you later. Okay, thanks for looking, or watching, looking, whatever. All right, there's gonna be more to come. And then I'll film other things too, like my cat and maybe cooking stuff and all that. It's just that when I get in the mood to do something, I'm going to just stop, drop, do it, and get it over with. Because I'm easily distracted, and that's just how I do it. So, all right. Because by the time I set up the camera and then I think that I'm filming it, and then find out I've gone through all that trouble, wasted all that time, and then the camera wasn't on, which it probably isn't even on now. I don't know. And then I lose my steam or mojo to continue working. So, yeah, so that's it for now. And trying to get up. And so, yeah, and then I've been pruning up, undercutting my tree there, limbing up, as they say. And, a little more up there. And that pole there. And that's it. Okay. Okay, well, these two hydrangeas, summer crush. One butterfly bush. Not pugster, it's a small one. Forgot the name of it, but it doesn't get more than 2 feet tall. But I'll get a lot more details for you later on. Okay, bye.